Hello and welcome to the Leaders of Tomorrow, India's only daily television platform for small businesses. As a part of the India Revival mission here at the Times Network, my colleague Sonali Krishna caught up with Avnish Kumar, who's the Chief Program Advisor for the Rashtriya Avishkar Abhiyan Lab Innovation Project at IIT Kanpur. He also shed more light on the way ahead for startups and SMEs in the wake of the deadly coronavirus pandemic. Here are the highlights.
Mr. Kumar, since you are somebody who is, at the helm of the RA labs at IIT Kanpur, I was wondering, if you could first give me a sense as to what is your reading of the MSME relief package that has been announced by the Finance Minister. We have now finished the series of press conferences that the Finance Minister was hosting every day, and hence it's the end of the relief packages. What's your initial reaction and understanding of how this will pan out on ground?
Yeah, I had the announcement made by our Finance Minister, and announcement is really good for MSME sector. Basically, first of all, announcement related to a definition change of MSME will give broader spectrum for MSME sector for investment as well as for development.
Mr. Kumar, if you can talk to us about some of the key features that the RAA labs, which you are at the helm of, what it does, what's the vision behind it, and how is it looking to help MSMEs, during this very terrible pandemic?
And Rashtriya Avishkar Abhiyan is a program where higher education institutions connected with school education. What we are doing innovation with Rashtriya Avishkar Lab, Unit of Science and Education Development, UNICED and IIT Kanpur. We are also connecting 18 MSME training centers. These MSME training centers are working for training, development and advancement of MSME across the country. So for problem findings after COVID-19, we will collect the problems data from these MSME training centers. And the way we will do, 5 Rashtriya Avishkar Lab will handle one training institute, one MSME training institute problems. And then these problems with connected with mentors, they will solve these problems and they will address the good modules and training module for MSME development. Basically, RA lab would be helpful re-establishment through technology support in subject specific areas such as manufacturing, transport, energy, health, education, agriculture, water and sanitation.
So the on-ground reality for MSMEs is pretty heartbreaking. I've had the chance to talk to several sectors and several representatives of the MSME space, and it's pretty disheartening, the on-ground reality. A lot of prediction of the future, despite the the government relief, which is basically not direct money or direct liquidity in the hands of the MSMEs. It's a via plan, which is really via banks, right? And there is also the problem of whether banks will actually execute the government diktat, because MSMEs, according to the FISME president, are treated very badly, and banks are also a bit nervous about doling out loans, because the banking sector itself is in doldrums, as you know. Given all of that, what is your prediction in terms of the survival of the MSMEs?
Basically, that is nothing more than motivation required at that time. I'll give you 5P magical formula kind of thing. If everyone will follow, definitely he will get benefit in that. First P is plan to revamp. It is a motivational. First of all, to think that you may or you can revive. High asset use and high throw output is achieved through standardization in the process, enabling huge cost reduction required, uniform quality output and sufficiency to scale and replicate after COVID-19. Means asset analysis is very important after COVID-19. What assets you have and what liabilities you have. Asset in terms of goods, stock, labors, as well as liquidity and credibility. In terms of these, you have to think how to start first. Then process re-engineering. We need to think whether the process is suitable, what we are following, or we need to rethink a process where we can generate more opportunities after change in behavior of the consumer after COVID-19. So we need to process re-engineering, break a process into high efficient subparts. Whatever the process you are following for your product or services, break into the subparts and create specialists for each subpart, thus opening up areas for the cost reduction. Productivity research for demand and supply gap. You need to research the productivity of your product, whether it is really required at that time, or what kind of productivity you need to incorporate in your product so that it is useful for particular demand of the time. So there is need to productivity and market research for demand and supply gap to avoid business risk in limited resources, and program technology empowerment. That is most efficient word, the one of the best way for adding value to customer proposition and reducing cost while identifying suitable revenue streams is putting technology into hands of the user. Price modeling. Rethink the price point and breaking these into affordable units can radically increase affordability of a product or service as per demand today. Possibility of credit. You need to search the possibility of credit from all ways and at least up to for 1 year. The credit in all ways, not only with the banks, but also types of financial institutions like NBFC, NABARD, cooperative society, and last, self-help group of MSMEs. Then last one is positive human resource and labor management. Plan to work with the available manforce, manpower, and labors by training them for efficient work, additional work, and train them for the work you don't have the labors by training.
You know, given that this type of mankind has never seen before, we also see a lot of reverse migration happening. People, migrant workers going back to their home or stuck in between, all of that. The
Yes.
reality of the situation is for MSMEs to restart, they're going to have a major labor challenge because everybody is in transit. You know, when they do reach home, I'm not sure whether they will have the confidence to get out of their state again. It must have shaken them up pretty bad. Given that, what do you think MSME should do to overcome the labor challenge? Because it's going to be a problem.
Okay, basically, if we talk about labor shortage problem, so first we focus why this labor migration started. The reason behind that, the all of sudden lockdown. So production of companies get by 30% or 40%. Example, FMCG's product, 30% and 40% production is there in companies. That's why labor do not have their jobs and do not have their meals over cities. They migrated from there. Companies should come in front for social security providing these labors, as well as government should take a measure central control room for the labors. This kind of central control room will support in such a manner that labor particular village panchayat should connected with this central control room, and village panchayat connected with the laborers coming back from the cities. So after providing them a social security and because they lose the trust, basically their trust lost of their survival. So to start with full capacity production, we need labor, and insurance companies should come forward to provide the social security to these laborers. But it will take time. By the time demand will also come on the track. By the time the reverse migration from villages or their home places to cities will again start. If the social security companies as well as insurance companies and government will handhold as per the package provided by the government.
And last question before I wrap up. What is your estimation by 2021? How much of the MSME space will be wiped out? Do you see a lot of fatality in this sector because the surviving power will not be as much to actually ride through this storm?
The recovery expected of MSME sector, but dependent on the duration of the outbreak and effectiveness of the policy response. World trade is set to plummet between 13 to 32% in 2020. Our export pulls down by 60.28%, lowest since 2006. In mission to Mars, MSME provided so many tools to this project. So basically, this is challenging time. Convert these problems to possibility, as well as export will also improve in future time.
Well, I hope what you say comes true, Mr. Kumar. Thank you so much for your time and the insights that you have shared. Hopefully, with institutions like yours, the MSME space will get some support to tide through these very, very tough and trying times. Thank you so much for your time, Mr. Kumar.
Thank you, Sonali ji. Thank you.
It's time for a short break, but up next we bring you our conversation with Cure.ai, a medtech startup that's leveraging its artificial intelligence-powered platform to help fight the deadly COVID-19 pandemic. All that and more on the other side, so don't go anywhere.